For homeowners in Anthem, maintaining and improving property value is always a smart investment. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to enhance your home's long-term appeal, one upgrade that delivers exceptional returns is professional window installation. While windows may seem like a small detail, they have a significant influence on both curb appeal and home performance. Professionally installed, energy-efficient windows not only enhance the look of your property but also improve comfort, lower utility costs, and make your home more attractive to potential buyers. Here's how expert window installation can boost the resale value of your Anthem home, and why professional craftsmanship makes all the difference. Enhancing first impressions with curb appeal. Curb appeal is one of the first things potential buyers notice, and new, high-quality windows instantly make your home stand out. Over time, old windows fade, crack, or lose their sheen, giving your property a dated appearance. A professional window installation can transform your home's exterior with clean lines, fresh finishes, and designs that complement its architecture. In Anthem's sunny desert climate, modern window styles, such as vinyl, aluminum, or fiberglass frames, not only look sleek but also hold up beautifully against the heat and sun exposure. With precise installation, frames fit perfectly and maintain symmetry across your home's facade, creating a polished, well-maintained look that buyers instantly recognize. Even small visual upgrades, like new trim or custom grid designs, can make your home appear more refined and inviting, increasing its perceived value before buyers ever step inside. Improving energy efficiency. A major selling point. Today's homebuyers are looking for energy-efficient features that help lower monthly costs and support sustainability. In Anthem's warm climate, windows play a critical role in maintaining comfortable indoor temperatures and reducing energy consumption. Professionally installed energy-efficient windows are engineered to minimize heat transfer with features like low E, low emissivity, glass coatings that reflect heat and harmful UV rays, double or triple glazing for insulation, argon gas fills that reduce thermal conductivity, tight seals that eliminate drafts and air leaks. By having these windows installed by trained experts, homeowners ensure maximum performance and durability. Buyers are often willing to pay more for homes with proven energy savings, making this one of the most cost-effective ways to increase resale value. A professional installation also means fewer long-term issues like condensation, gaps, or misalignment, all details that savvy buyers or inspectors will notice. Maximizing natural light and interior appeal. Beyond efficiency and aesthetics, professionally installed windows can completely change the feel of your home's interior. Larger or strategically placed windows allow more natural light to flow through rooms, creating a brighter and more open atmosphere that buyers love. Professional installers can help you choose the right window styles, such as picture windows to showcase mountain views or casement windows for ventilation, that best highlight your home's unique design and surroundings. This added natural light enhances interior spaces and can even make rooms appear larger, which increases both livability and perceived value during showings. Improving security and durability. Homebuyers prioritize safety, and new windows can make your home more secure. Professional window installation ensures each unit is properly anchored with reinforced frames and high-quality locks, reducing the risk of forced entry. In Anthem, where seasonal temperature changes and strong sunlight can stress building materials, proper installation also prevents issues like warping or seal failure. This level of quality reassures buyers that your home has been well cared for, and spares them from future repair costs. A secure, weather-resistant window system installed by professionals adds lasting value that buyers see as both practical and essential. Professional workmanship adds trust and longevity when it comes to resale. How your windows were installed matters just as much as the windows themselves. Professional installation guarantees proper fit, insulation, and finishing, all crucial for long-term performance and energy efficiency. Buyers appreciate knowing that your home's improvements were completed by certified professionals, not through DIY attempts. It signals attention to detail and ensures warranties remain valid, a selling point that builds trust and confidence during negotiations. Final thoughts: in Anthem's competitive housing market, professional window installation offers one of the best returns on investment for homeowners. It enhances curb appeal, increases energy efficiency, improves security, and adds comfort, all factors that attract buyers and boost your home's resale value. Whether you're preparing to sell soon or planning ahead, working with local Anthem window experts ensures every installation is precise, durable, and visually appealing. The result is a home that not only performs better but also stands out as a stylish, high-value property, ready to impress the next proud homeowner.